This video is going to take you through how to complete exercise 11.3 related to this travel time diagram. So the questions are asking, how long does it take for the P wave, the S wave, the L wave, and the R wave to travel a distance of 5,000 kilometers? So if we look on this diagram, we have the distance on the x-axis, and we have the time on the y. And so we have the P wave is this wave line on the bottom, and then S, L, and R. And so we are going to find where that 5,000 kilometer distance is and where that vertical line intersects the P wave. We're going to translate it over to the time axis here, and that's going to be the time that you record. All right, and the same thing is going to go for the S wave, the L wave, and the R wave. So you're just going to translate this line that where it intersects onto the y-axis.